I'm Dr. Ted Valley, and if you found your way to this page, it means you're interested in mental photography. It doesn't matter how you got here, all that matters is that now you're here. To lead in, I'm going to start with my credentials. I hold a doctorate in chiropractic. I have many professional certifications, totaling over 400 hours that I achieved while in chiropractic school. I also worked part-time, 20 plus hours a week, while in attendance. How is that possible? This is a medical program, you might ask. Well, mental photography is how it's possible. I went from studying 30 plus hours a week, as you're supposed to as a graduate student, down to 2 to 5 hours a week. Doesn't seem like it's possible, but if you pursue the program and you follow the instructions, it's more than possible. It's impressive, really. Before chiropractic school, I had a bachelor's degree in health sciences, pre-med, and I always considered myself to be a very passionate student, a good student, but mental photography made me a great student. It was more of a life-changing experience than what I can even describe. So if you will join me, let me take you on a little bit of a journey of what mental photography can do for you. Hi. Now, we talked a little bit about me. Now let me tell you a little bit about what mental photography is and how it can help. So I'm sure that you get stressed, whether it's for work, you got a lot of papers to go through, you got deadlines to meet, you don't know how you're going to get through all the information that you need. Or maybe you're a student, and like me, you had to really figure out how to get all the information that you need in your head. Well, that's where mental photography comes in. Again, as I stated earlier, I spent 30 plus hours a week like a good student, and I was still failing classes. It didn't seem like I was doing anything wrong, but still I wasn't reaping the rewards. And then mental photography came in. I searched the internet far and wide trying to find that one thing that was really going to change my life for the better and get me through the program that I needed. Turns out, mental photography was it. If you implement the procedures as they're shown and you follow the directions through the program, there's no way you can fail. You go from studying 30 plus hours a week to a fraction of that, 2 to 5 hours. How much better would your life be? How much more time could you spend with your family? How much more fun could you have in life if you didn't have to focus so hard on your studies? For me, being able to spend more time with my wife changed our relationship for the better. Nothing could have changed my life more than having the ability to spend time with her, because she, outside of my education, is what matters most to me. My family is paramount, as I'm sure it is for you. Everyone has different goals, everyone has different passions. Mental photography allows you to pursue those while achieving whatever your goals are. Whether it be academic, whether it be business, it doesn't matter. All that matters is that mental photography will change your life, hands down, for sure. Yes, I was able to master material that otherwise would have taken me years to master in a matter of days. Doesn't seem real, I know. Doesn't seem possible, I get it. But in reality, if you follow the program, it is possible. But mental photography changed my life, and it can change yours too. Really? How much better do you want to be? How much more time do you want to spend with your family? How much more time do you want to be living your life like you want to? Choice is yours. If it were up to me, I'd have started this a long time ago. Unfortunately, I didn't find it until it was too late and I had to start over. You have the opportunity, maybe you're in high school, maybe you're an undergrad, or maybe even you're the businessman that wants the edge. It doesn't matter where you're at in life, this program is going to change your life. You just have to click the button down below and then experience the change. Follow the program, continue with the rules, and I guarantee you're going to see the change.